I've discovered a way to study so efficiently, it feels like life just got a whole lot easier. Have you ever found yourself cramming for days, only to end up with the same grades as your friend who studied last minute? It's frustrating, right? Even worse is missing out on weekend plans, ignoring your group chats, and still ending up with average results. But it doesn't have to be that way. I'm here to help you unlock the full potential of your mind and spirit, making studying feel less like a chore and more like a journey of growth. The truth is, you're not the problem, it's the outdated, ineffective study methods you've been taught. In this guide, I'll share my top strategies to help you study smarter, not harder. You'll learn how to cut your study time in half while still achieving top grades. These techniques are so powerful that anyone can master them, no matter where you're starting from. And the best part, you'll finally have time to enjoy your weekends without the looming stress of upcoming tests. Let's dive in. 1. Nourish your mind. Swap sugary snacks for brain fuel. It's easy to grab a sugary snack for a quick energy boost, but that spike is short-lived and often followed by a crash, leaving your mind sluggish and unfocused. Studies show that too much sugar can impair memory and slow down cognitive functions. Instead, choose foods that sustain your energy and sharpen your focus, like nuts, fish, and berries. Think of it as feeding not just your body, but your mind and spirit, fueling your inner light to shine brighter. 2. Embrace positive thinking. Shift your mindset, shift your results. Your mindset is more powerful than you realize. If you approach studying with dread, it will feel like a burden. But if you frame it as an opportunity to grow and succeed, your mind will respond with focus and clarity. Repeating affirmations like, "I can easily understand this," or "this will be quick and productive," can transform your experience. When you align your thoughts with positivity, you're tapping into a deeper energy that helps you stay calm, focused, and open to learning. 3. The timer technique. Create flow through focused bursts. Instead of dragging your study sessions out for hours, set a timer for 30 minutes and fully immerse yourself in the task at hand. This focused approach, inspired by the Pomodoro technique, creates a natural rhythm of productivity and rest. Think of it as syncing with the natural ebb and flow of your energy, allowing your mind to work in harmony with your body's rhythms. When you know a break is coming, it's easier to stay present and engaged. 4. Focus on what matters. The 80-20 rule for studying. Not all information holds the same weight. The 80-20 rule suggests that 20% of the material will lead to 80% of your results. Identify the key concepts that matter most, those your teachers emphasize, that appear in summaries, or show up frequently on past exams. By focusing on what's truly important, you honor your time and energy, allowing you to study more effectively and with purpose. 5. Reverse learning. Start with the answers. Why read an entire textbook when you can begin by understanding the questions and answers at the end of each chapter? This strategy helps you zero in on what matters most and connects the dots more quickly. Working backward not only saves time but also strengthens your ability to see patterns and relationships between concepts, deepening your understanding in a way that resonates both intellectually and spiritually. Face your challenges. Turn weaknesses into strengths. It's tempting to review topics you already know, but true growth happens when you face your challenges head-on. Identify the areas where you struggle and dive into them with curiosity and determination. Connecting related concepts, what I call horizontal learning, can create new pathways in your mind, helping you grasp difficult topics faster. This process isn't just about academics. It's about embracing the journey of self-improvement and resilience. 7. Leverage technology. Use AI tools to accelerate learning. AI tools like ChatGPT can revolutionize your study routine. Imagine having a personal tutor available 24/7, guiding you through complex topics, summarizing information, and generating practice questions tailored to your needs. These tools break down complicated ideas into manageable pieces, allowing you to stay focused on what matters. By integrating technology into your learning, you're harnessing the power of innovation to unlock your full potential. Reflect and grow. Learn from your mistakes. Growth isn't just about getting things right, it's about learning from what went wrong. Keep a dedicated journal or digital document to track mistakes from quizzes, assignments, and practice tests. Reviewing these regularly helps your brain recognize patterns and fill in gaps, making you a faster, more effective learner. This practice isn't just academic. It's a reflection of your commitment to continuous growth and self-awareness. With these techniques, you'll spend less time stressing and more time thriving. Share this guide with a friend who could use a boost in their study game, and let me know your favorite study hacks. Here's to unlocking your potential and embracing every opportunity to grow. Mind, body, and spirit. Good luck on your next exam.